Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Everyone, please like this video, okay, if you want like more. So as you know guys, this is my first video of today on 5th December 2024, and as you know, this is my new adventure story where you just learn, you just make yourself happy and entertain yourself. Let's start together. So just imagine this, okay. And imagine a world where creativity meets adventure, where dreams take shape and vibrant colors. Today we are diving into the incredible journey of MrBeast, and he builds the world's largest Lego water park. Maybe this is another one, okay? Imagine this, picture this. Thousands of Lego bricks, each one is a piece of imagination, coming together to create an epic playground. But this is not just about the size, it's about the message behind it. Mr Beast sorry for it. Mr Beast is not just building a water park, he is building a community. Let's see how is this. A space for fun, laughter, and an unforgettable memories. As he lays down the first brick, he teaches us an important lesson. Big dreams require big teamwork. It's not just him, it's a whole crew of passionate builders, designers, and fans coming together to make this dream a reality. In life, collaboration is key. When we unite our strengths, we can create something truly monumental. And let's talk about the learning aspect. Each section of the park is designed with educational themes. Science, engineering, and art all flow through this water wonderland. Kids splashing around are not just having fun, they are learning about buoyancy. What is called buoyancy? If you know, then must write that define in the comments, okay? If you are science or engineer, okay, student, okay? Structure and creativity and action. It's a reminder that play can be powerful. Be there is more. Mr. Beast uses this project to give back a portion of the proceeds. Well fund water access projects around the world. This is not just entertainment, it's a movement towards making a difference. It shows us that when we have success, we have a responsibility to uplift others. It is 100% right. Yes. So whether you are a fan of Lego or simply love a good adventure, remember every creation holds meaning. Let Mr. Beast's Lego Water Park inspire you to dream big, work hard, and always give back, because together we can build a brighter future, one brick at a time. Bye for now.